What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Deep here with Caribbean Ducks, where we cook with lots of layers of flavor. Today I'd like to share with you my recipe for a crunchy orange chicken bite. So keep watching for the recipe. I'm glad you can join me. So let's get started on this recipe. To begin with, we're gonna start with our chicken breasts, clean, trimmed, and washed. We have garlics, ginger, black pepper, salt, sesame seeds. We have 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 oranges whole. We have honey, hoisin sauce, less sodium soy sauce. Let's get started. First thing, we're gonna zest our oranges. We need about 1.5 tablespoons of zest from the oranges, and we're also gonna use the juice from the oranges as well. We're gonna juice both oranges. We need about 3 tablespoons of orange juices. We're gonna add our salt, our black pepper for the marinade. And we're gonna go ahead and start slicing our chicken. So with a sharp knife, we cut our chicken into strips, and we're gonna angle our knife to 45 degrees, and we're gonna cut about 1/4 to 1/2 inch pieces. Slice them evenly and thinly, just like this. Because keep in mind, this chicken is gonna cook very rapidly, so we don't want it to be thick. Now we add it to the marinade, and it's gonna absorb all that orange flavor and the black pepper and the salt. Simple, easy marinade. Gonna cover it down, put it in a refrigerator for about an hour and a half. We're gonna grate our ginger now. This is to make our sauce. Add our orange zest. Grate our garlic. We're adding 2 cloves of garlic here. Our honey, about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Our hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Simple, easy recipe, and just mix it all together. We have all the flavor that we need here for our chicken to make our orange chicken. We're gonna need 2 eggs. We're gonna add our cornstarch and flour together. And we're gonna beat our eggs gently and add it to the flour mix, and we're just gonna mix that in well. In a moment, we'll add just a little bit water and continue to mix this, because we want to make this batter nice and thick and gluey. This batter will probably stick on any surface, even glass. So now that our chicken has been marinated for about an hour and a half, we're gonna add that in this batter and let it be coated to make a nice crunchy batter when it's fried. Give it a good mix, make sure it's well coated. We're gonna heat up our oil to about 250 degrees. We don't want it too hot. Then we test it with a bamboo stick and add our chicken into it. Let it fry. And we're gonna try not to overcrowd the pan as we fry. We're gonna do just a few pieces at a time. And this we're gonna allow to cook for about 1 minute even. We don't want it to be overcooked. We don't want it to be golden brown at this moment. So 1 minute, and we're gonna remove it from the oil and let it drain. So we finished frying all our chicken bites, and we let it cool off for about 20 minutes. And now we're ready to give it a second fry. At this time, we don't care about crowding the pan. We can add as much as possible that can be fitted in there. And this is what we need to do to get it all nice and crunchy. Give it a second fry. And don't be afraid, it wouldn't absorb a lot of oil at this time. It's already been cooked, and we're just gonna fry it for the crunchiness. 1 more minute into the hot oil, and it's gonna be super crunchy. After 1 minute, we toss it, turn it, and we're ready to remove it. Now we're getting ready to start on our sauce. Heat up your pan with about 2 teaspoons of oil. Now we're gonna add all of our nice, delicious stuff that we have here for the sauce right into the pan and let it cook and release all those flavors. And we're just gonna let it cook for about a minute. Once everything gets heated up and releasing all its flavor, we'll get ready to add that onto the chicken. Right now, as it is hot and warm, we're just gonna put it right on top of the chicken, mix it in well, and keep in mind, folks, we don't want to drench the chicken, we just want it to be coated. And this is our final product. I hope you guys like this recipe. Try it for your kids, and it's not super sweet, just slightly sweet. Your kids will love it. It's nice and crunchy. It's my recipe for orange crunchy chicken bites. And you don't have to take my word for it. How does it taste?
It's yummy.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video, and please do try this recipe. I guarantee that your kids will love it, you will love it, your entire family will like this recipe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.